I've never done this before, so please bear with me. The first one is going to be this one, and it will be how to design it in Cricut Design Space. The second will be how to put heat transfer vinyl onto a book cloth album. And the third will be how to put Oracle 651 vinyl on a Fast to Fabulous, or what I call a smooth album. The difference between the two albums is the Fast to Fabulous smooth albums, I don't consider that fabric in my mind. And so book cloth I consider a fabric. And so when you're trying to put something permanent onto a fabric, it's best to use heat transfer vinyl, in my opinion. So this first one is going to be how to design stuff so that can go on the side of an album, which is a little bit tricky, but if you think it through, it's not that hard. So here I have Design Space up, and I'm going to click on the text, and the year I'm going to do is 01. And so since I want it to go down the side of the album, I'm going to hit enter. And the trip that I'm doing is Disney, so I'm going to type in D and then hit enter. And then I hit enter, S, enter, N, enter, E, enter, Y, enter. And so that gives you this going down the side. And as you can see, that is way too long because it's like 13 inches long. So the way that you get it shorter is, I'm trying to put this up here. Okay. So the 01 is pretty centered. So I'm going to find the, okay, so if you can see down here by the S, I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but you can see the little plus mark. That's saying that that whole blue box is in the center on the 2-inch mark. So that's what I want to do so that when I ungroup this, I can get it all straight. So because it's too long, I want to come over to the side here. Well, and you can see that I've already selected that whole area. So I want to ungroup that. And so what that does is it makes each number and letter individual. So I already lined up the 01, and I know that that's in the middle. So now if you can see, when I click on the D, you can see the little plus sign there, right where the arrow is. So in order for the D to be in the middle, it has to be on the 2-inch line. So I'm going to bring that over to the 2-inch line, and I also brought it up a little bit. And then I'll highlight the I and do the same thing. I'm bringing it up, and I'm going to leave it on that 2-inch line all the way down. Okay, and you can see that I have it all where I want it now. And so now I'm going to come up to the select all button, because that selects everything that I've designed, and you can see it highlighted in the blue. And I'm going to group it back together. Okay, so now we've got it designed to where we want it, but in order for it to cut like this, we need to come down here and we need to attach it. If you don't attach it, then when you go to print it, it'll be across the top and all mismatched to whatever the machine wants to cut it like. So once you've attached it, you will see it says attached and that it's grouped, and then all the things underneath those two are what is attached and grouped. And so you're ready to make it. So you're going to click the Make It button.